Welcome back to Vintage King Motorsports. Today we're going to take a look at a vintage 1986 Sachs Dolmar chainsaw. A very nice vintage 86 Dolmar 100. Has a decent bar. The chain will need to be sharpened or possibly replaced. It does start and run, has good compression, and we're going to fire it up and let you see how this one runs. Well, as we said, it will need a new chain or possibly sharpen the old one, but you can see that under a load it does run quite well. A very nice saw, great for the backyard or your personal collection. You can buy this right now for only $124.95 plus shipping anywhere in the US. $124.95 plus shipping anywhere in the US. Buys this really nice Sachs Dolmar 100 today. We also ship anywhere in the world using eBay International Shipping. So if you're looking for a classic vintage chainsaw, look no farther. This is for you because you cannot beat the price. I mean, you just can't. Be sure to click on the link below. See it down there in the blue? Yeah, click on that for pictures and details and how to buy this saw right now for only $124.99. $124.99 buys this today anywhere in the US. Don't forget, we ship anywhere in the world. So if you need a classic chainsaw, act now because it won't last long and it won't be in your garage. Vintage King Motorsports, when quality and price matter most.